Welcome back to the channel. In this tutorial, I will show you how to transfer domain ownership on Namecheap step by step. This is useful if you are selling a domain or moving it to another person's account. First, log into your Namecheap account and go to your dashboard. Click on Domain List from the left sidebar and find the domain you want to transfer. Click Manage next to it, then look for the option called Share or Transfer. Choose Move Domain to another Namecheap account. Next, enter the new owner's Namecheap username or email address. You may also need to confirm details like contact information. Make sure the domain is eligible for transfer, meaning it is not recently registered or locked. Then confirm the transfer request and submit it. Finally, the new owner will receive a notification to accept the domain. Once they approve it, the domain will be moved to their account. This process is usually quick and does not require downtime. If this tutorial helped you, like the video and subscribe for more simple guides.